open the official website of Scopus. Scroll down on the home page and click Help. On the Help page, choose Add Missing Document in the left column. Then open How do I request to add a missing document? Next, click Open Web Form. In the form, select your role. In the Contact Reason field, choose Add Missing Document, and then Missing Article in Scopus. In the Subject field, type, Please index the paper. Next, fill in all the required information. In the Your Question field, make sure to include the journal title and the volume number. Also attach the PDF file of your article. Finally, enter your contact details and click Send Your Question. Your request will be submitted. We hope this video helped solve your problem. We are always happy to help.